Whoa, did you get presents?
Yeah.
No way, Maddox. What is it?
What's your mom?
What did you get? Oh, cool. Little airplane.
I'm looking here.
Okay. That's it.
Hey, look, your mom.
What?
Another one. Hey, block.
Oh, cool. Did you get some wood block?
Yeah.
Awesome. Now we can build a tower.
Yeah.
What's under that? What's under? Take that paper off. Then Santa is bringing it. Whoa. Whoa. What is it, Maddox? Is it your own train table?
Yeah.
Whoa, cool. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Merry Christmas. Is that cool?
Yeah. I wonder what's in there.
Yeah, try it. Open that one. Oh, that's okay. What is that?
Oh, wait, Mom, it's Marshall.
Marshall from what?
From Paw Patrol.
From Paw Patrol. Cool. You excited?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Yay, Merry Christmas. Oh, and I think you got some stuff in your stocking, it looks like. Let me help you take your...
Hey, that's a banana.
Santa put a banana in your stocking? That's funny. What is that? Whoa. Glow stick. Here, put your stocking over here.
This is another present.
What is that one?
It's,
Spider-Man puzzle?
yeah.
Cool.
Get off of here.
Yay.
Ah.
Oh. Some kind of Santa toy.
Oh. Hey, look in it.
Oh, you got some dinosaurs. Are they coming out?
Dinosaurs.
Oh, little one.
And look at Mom.
Some gummy snacks. Yay.
Let's have some gummy snacks.
Okay. Merry Christmas, Maddox. Yay. Are you happy?
Yep.
You have cool new presents from
Yep.
Santa and me.
This one is mine, and this one is yours.
Okay, thanks for sharing.
Welcome.
Okay.
I need mine open.
I love you.
Hey, I got two.
I love you.
I love you too.
Okay.